Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is how to type Chinese in Gboard. So first one is go to the Google Play Store and make sure to search for Gboard. And now make sure you are running the latest version and make sure to download it if you haven't. And now once provided everything, now with that said, you could just simply select open. And from here, you just simply go for languages and just simply add keyboard at the bottom. And from here, you could just simply scroll down manually for Chinese. And now I can just simply use the search bar at the top as well. And from here, just simply provide a language. So let's say I'm going to go for this one. And from here, you can just simply tap done. Now, guys, from here, make sure to tap the space bar for a long time. And you can just simply select the language that you have. And as you can see, it will be changed. There you go. See ya.